This is an in-depth discussion of the forecast for October 2023 for the sign of Gemini. So only take what resonates and leave what doesn't. You may take nothing at all. If you see this on your page, there might be a message for you. So the theme for the whole month of October for the sign Gemini is adjustments are required. So hindi pwedeng palaging yung mga tao yung nag-a-adjust sa inyo. Kailangan nyo din mag-make ng adjustments kung gusto nyong mag-meet halfway dun sa mga bagay that you want to work out. Okay? Okay, so for the month of October, the first card that came out here is the Eight of Cups in the reverse. That is the base card. So, it feels as if gusto nyong lumayo or magpakalayo-layo kasi bored na kayo sa routine nyo. Siguro, the past few months, medyo walang excitement na nangyayari sa buhay nyo. Kaya parang you want a change of air, you want a change of pace. Parang ito yung kumbaga, nandito yung, if I will compare it to a scenario or a scene from a movie, this is the one na yung pumunta si Julia Roberts sa Indonesia, sa Bali, because they want to seek the truth. I mean, the character of Julia Roberts wants spiritual healing. Ganon yung energy for October. It feels like you want clarity about the situation and you want to move someplace. Yun yung energy for October. With the Two of Wands and the Upright, it seems na nagpaplano kayo. Parang meron kayong pinaplano or you're brewing something. This might be, going someplace out of the country or maybe going to the beach para makapag-isip. And it is because you're avoiding something. Meron kang tinatry na i-avoid, kaya gusto mong umalis. And as a Gemini, unpredictability is not part of your routine. Pero because you want to avoid this conflict perhaps, wala ka nang pakialam. Yung, kumbaga, you will not care what others will think or say about you because you just want to parang gusto mong makabreathe ng fresh air. Kasi gusto mong iwanan perhaps yung mga problema. And feeling mo, this will somehow make things better for you. You will feel better. Parang this avoidance will make your life a little bit balanced. So, the next set of cards here, the base card is the Two of Pentacles. So, the universe is actually asking you to balance your life. What do I mean by balance? Balance in a sense of do not let your emotions run deep within you. Kasi, there might be times that you will be hot-headed and you might think of things that are not nice to do. For example, yung nagsa-self-sabotage kayo because you feel na kasalanan nyo lahat, yung sisisihin nyo lahat yung sarili nyo, and you will parang it will be a spiral of emotions, negative emotions. So, ang sinasabi ng universe dito, do not let your emotions get the best of you. Balance your emotions and at the same time, balance your stability. Think of ways para to get out of this negative energy. So, yun nga, if you think na getting out of the city will be helping you to recover your mental wellness, then go out and travel. Yun yung sinasabi ng universe. And it's also saying na huwag kayong maging petty. Huwag kayong palapatol sa mga bagay na hindi naman dapat patulan. Hindi lahat ng bagay kailangan mong parang you don't need to have a say on all the things that are being thrown at you. May mga bagay na kahit na gusto mo silang patulan, it's better to back up. Yun yung sinasabi. So, the next set of cards here, the base card is the Ace of Wands in the reverse. Meaning, wala ka ng drive. You are losing your drive when it comes to maybe life. Or life in general. Kasi parang, ano pang purpose mo? Yun yung iniisip mo. Ano pang purpose ko? Bakit ba ako nandito? It seems like there was an ending that happened recently. May it be when it comes to a career or to a relationship, and it has put you into that downward spiral. Kaya wala ka ng passion or wala ka ng drive or motivation to move forward. Kasi nga, there has been an ending and you feel abandoned. Doon nang gagaling yung negative emotions mo. And you have to, parang, you have to resolve this. Kailangan mong ma-resolve yung mga emotions mo regarding this. Kasi, walang ibang taong makakatulong sa'yo kung di ang sarili mo. You have to pull yourself out of this negative loop. Okay, so the next set of cards here, it's saying, let go. Yun yung message. Let go of the things that are not serving you anymore. And the advice is saying, mingle with your friends or your family. Sila yung makakatulong sa'yo to transition from the old situation into the new one. Have the courage and the strength to ask for help na, hey, parang sabihin mo sa kaibigan mo, hey friend, I need help. Please help me get out of this negative loop. Walang masamang magtanong kasi if your friends and your family really love you, they will help you and encourage you to love yourself. Yun yung sinasabi. Basta ang advice, ang pinaka-message is let go of the things that are not serving you anymore. If you are still holding on to a past relationship, you have to move forward already kasi hindi na ito nakakabuti sa inyo. Or if you are thinking na you are not good enough for the work that you have left, don't think that way because you are worthy, you are good enough. The last card here, the last set of cards is the advice for you guys, for the Geminis out there. And the base card is the Page of Cups. So meaning, let your emotions out. Ilabas niyo yung mga nararamdaman nyo. Hindi pwedeng kinikim-kim nyo yung mga nararamdaman nyo. Kasi ang nangyayari, pag kinikim-kim nyo yung mga emotions na yan, sasabog na lang kayo na parang bulkan. Which is not good. Because, you know, that is parang it's not healthy. So, it's saying here, let your emotions out because it will help you decide on what to do, and it will help you decide on how to move about the forward movement, or ito yung makakatulong sa inyo to move on. Kumbaga, if you were in a separation with a person or nag-break kayo ng person mo, letting a friend know how you feel, or maybe make a journal and write down your emotions. Yun yung makakatulong sa inyo. Just let your emotions out. And there are a lot of options ahead of you. Yun yung sinasabi. Don't lose hope. There's always there's always better things ahead. Pag may tinanggal sa inyo, may darating din na bago, na mas maganda. Okay, so I have some oracle cards for you, Geminis, and the first card that came out is Seasonal Harvest. So, maybe it's time to do something new right now. It's actually connected to the next card, which is plant the seed. So, maybe try something new right now. So, if you've been wanting to do a hobby, and maybe now is the time to revisit that hobby of yours, and make the most out of it. So, turn this negativity into something positive.